Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, we are now exactly there. We talked yesterday about this Elliott wave triangle. We talked about another leg to the downside. And now the question is it going to stop here or not? To still enable us to carry out a fifth wave to the upside here with a high probability, we need to hold above the C wave low. That's at 38.9 cents. So at the moment, it's not doing anything, let's say, surprising, because I gave you yesterday a target for this E wave. Now we can just double check that again. For this, we take the length of the C wave, we go to the high of the D wave, and we identified the 61.8 FIB extension, and that is at 39.18 cents. So we pretty much reached that when we came down to 39.3. It doesn't really look finished yet, and that's the point. We need to be aware of these key pivot points. Now, 39.18 cents is just sort of a guideline target. It's not an absolute rule, and as long as this wave down stays above the C wave low, it can still give us this one more wave up here in a fifth wave, maybe into the 44 cent region in the first place. And then we need to take it from there and take a look at how do we react to the next pivot point, to the next decision point. But certainly we see some volatility today. I mean, the stock market is open again today, or opens in a few hours, and we start to see some volatility. Ideally, we make some progress in the charts. At the moment, the sideways consolidation would still, again, as long as we're holding these two lows here, the C wave low and the A wave low at 38.5 cents, as long as that's the case, it suggests upside continuation. If not, then we are probably looking at a deeper correction. And the alternative wave structure would be, as already highlighted in the last video, a wave 1 to the upside here, then an A wave down, probably here a B wave triangle in an A, B, C, D, and maybe then another leg to the upside, and then to come down, yeah? A, B, and then C. And we could actually land in this support area here, which is then based on Fibonacci levels, relevant for a wave 2. So that means we're looking here at the area between 36.1 and 38.3 cents, with the 61.8 FIB retracement here sort of in between at 37.4 cents. So these are the relevant patterns. I'm quite happy that we made that leg down, because it means at least the forecast, the forecast so far worked out. The question is now, we need to see, does the market react either to the trend line here, to the previous support, or to that 61.8 FIB target that I gave you. For now, we see sideways movement. We had here a little bit of a reaction, but for now, it doesn't really show us any sign that it's starting to go up again. What would be important in this particular wave pattern, or in this particular count, where ideally we get one more wave up here in this pattern, it would need to hold, again, the last low, the C wave low, and would basically need to go up now. When do we know that it's starting this move to the upside? Well, I think the best confirmation you get as soon as possible is a break above the previous swing high at 40.6 cents, but always better is a break of the D wave high in this case. We talk about 41 cents. And the B wave high is the confirmation that would be above 41.8 cents. Until then, it's looking like we at least make one more low here. I wouldn't be surprised. And the question is then, and that's what you need to watch out for, do we hold the previous C wave low? This is the key level. I also can't tell you or promise you if we hold this level, the market will decide it. But the knowledge you have is, what are the key pivots? What's the key decision point here that the price needs to hold? And so far we did hold here this green support area, which is relevant for this wave 4. But if that breaks, then it's not a wave 4 anymore. Then we have to go to the second scenario here, which is the idea that we are in a wave 2 of some sort. That this was a wave 1 and we're coming down in a wave 2. Other scenarios are possible here. I want to say that straight away, but I won't take you through all the different scenarios which are possible. It will confuse you. Several scenarios are possible due to the situation that we are here in a corrective pattern at the moment. And there are many corrective patterns. And the next basically the next scenario which will become live after breaking this support will be this one, and we just need to see how do we actually react to this support area then, yeah. But this would be another possible long trade setup, a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, to trade a third wave into the 50-cent region. Okay, that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.